Hello guys, how are you today? It's Vitaly, you're on my channel Vitaly's Diamond Box. Thank you so much for enjoying me today. I'm doing another unboxing. If you didn't do this yet, please subscribe, please thumb up, please press the bell to prevent missing my next videos. I really thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I got a parcel from spanydeals.com. I have very strong beliefs that SP stands for shop, and then probably Shop Any Deals and SP Any Deals. It's connected stores. Well, if you have some additional information, are they connected or not, or maybe you order it from any of them, please write down comments. Let's check it out what they sent me. When I will be opening, I will tell you that I ordered a couple of diamond paintings. You will see them a little bit further. And all of them should be size 30 by 40 centimeters. All of them round blue. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's start from the. As usual, I will be opening it, I will be measuring it, I will be showing you quality of drills and of canvas. Never, I cannot open it just in proper way. I just need to use scissors. First one. Ooh. Look, it is a geisha. She is so cool. This picture very colorful, blue here, red here, so nice. It works like on contrast. I want to say that here on this picture, it's actually like blood here on her back. But I don't like technically that blood, so when I was ordering I decided immediately that I will be using just this background to make her back like without this blood. No big wrinkles, a little bit here waves because of how it was rolled around drills, but no serious damaging. Glue is sticky, there is no bubbles on glue at all. Clearance of printing. So check it out. As usual, I want to say that white backgrounds are pretty clear. Darker background when symbols made with white. Color a little bit unclear, but it's not affecting on recognizing symbols. However, I want to show you this symbol M. Can you see it? It's very hard to see all of this section, this M section. She's so gorgeous. I just need to do here. We have here 20 colors. 20 colors, 30 by 40. So we will check it. Is it 30 by 40 or not? I even have no doubt that it will be not 30 by 40 because you will find size which they mention on the canvas. It's a size of actual canvas but not working area. So be ready that you will get a working area smaller than they mention here. It's their small trick. Here working area will be 33 centimeters and 24. So 33 centimeters on 24 centimeters out of 40 centimeters on 30 centimeters. They have a chart with drills duplicated here on this side. It's very nice actually. However, for smaller sizes like 30 by 40, it's not that important. I definitely think they are duplicating it here because this section has a lot of like free space and they need to put something here. They didn't put a DMC identification of a color. They just put a number of a color and a corresponding symbol, and that's it. I don't like when companies are not putting DMC identification, because you will have a lot of leftovers after you will finish work, and of course better to store these leftovers because you can use them on your next project. They sent also a basic toolkit. It is pen, it is a diamond tray, small piece of wax, and also, as you can see, 2 resealable bags. Why only 2? Who knows? Drills are all, as I can see, all connected to each other. There is no necessity of calculation and marking colors because they are all connected from color number 1 until color number 20. We have here 20 colors. Calculation in this point absolutely not necessary. Marking on packages, it is number of a color and serial number of a painting. So it's AG429, and we need to double check. It is AG429. So these colors corresponding to our serial number of a canvas. Again, very bad that here on these packages no DMC number. Let's check out quality of drills. So this one, very nice light pink color. It is round, I don't see any damages on them. I see small holes in the middle of the base, but I think it's how they were made. Color number 2, gray. Color number 3, black. Then again grayish colors. Dark blue, lovely pink. It's different from this one. It's more like raspberry. Oh, true colors. With some drills from previous one, and also there is another shade of blue there as well. And here as well we have additional colors which are not in proper bag. Very nice pale beige color, white, then another blue, very nice light blue, burgundy, very intensive color, brown one with additional colors from previous one, another pink, the red, very dark red, pale violet. I like this color, it's grayish blue, very nice. And this greenish with some additional color. Colors looks very nice, very lovely. They are very bright, and so I think it will be very lovely project. This one. Second picture. As you can see, I'm not trying to open like I did before. It's never worked. This one is something blue. Oh, I know what it is. Oh, wow. It is an elk with flowers. Very beautiful, very blue. 26 colors here. Oh gosh. Let's check it back first. Canvas, good. I think it needs some ironing. I don't know what's going on here. Look at this. So it's all wrinkled. So see, here all these areas with wrinkles. I believe it will be on glue. Can you see here? Let's open this Pandora box. Well, it is very strange and very lucky, but all these wrinkles are not transferred to canvas. So, for example, here there is a place where I can see marks on the glue, but when I'm touching, I cannot feel any problems. No glue heels here. It's all okay. I'm happy, because I thought it will be again nightmare. So what happened with coverage? I have no idea why it became so wrinkled. But as long as it's not affecting on adhesive layer, I don't care, because once you will finish this picture, I will not need to have this coverage anymore. And that's very nice. We have here 30 by 40 serial number of a painting and name of item. It's diamond painting. Here I do have chart with the numbers. They input here DMC number, which is just incredible. I like when they put DMC number. Why these two pictures are different one from each other? Look. See difference? So I definitely think they are buying from another stores and then they are just reselling items. I don't think here 30 by 40 as I mentioned here. So let's first measure it. 35 centimeters out of 40 and then almost 25 centimeters out of 30. 35 by 25. So clearance of printing of symbols. Symbols are really clear. They printed very nice. Even darker. There are no complaints about symbols. I really do like this. Usual kit came with this painting. It is pen, tray and piece of wax, nothing more. In resealable big bag. I found how to open. Okay, this one again, all connected together. They are, of course, they are round one. On their bags, manufacturer printed number of color, serial number of a painting and DMC. What does it mean? 014250506 and 3? I have no idea. There is no necessity to check do I have enough colors or not, because they are all connected and they are starting from number one, and they will end with number 26. Do we have 26? Yes, exactly 26. There is, as I can see, no damages. I see different colors inside as well as here. See here black in this gray, and here couple of grays in orange. Very nice purple. This is a background color, which are very lovely. It's not very bright, not very pale. It's just exactly what it should like. Oh, what a lovely dark blue. and then very light pink. Blue, 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 a little bit of brown. Oh, what a lovely color! DMC number of this 915. And again, background color. So background will be contained from these two colors. Pretty lovely. Nice pink with additional not there color. See the green between them. And then pink with a lot of different colors. Again, here I can see not their color. Here. Very nice blue. Again, background color. So background, this and this. It will create a background. A very lovely picture, very lovely elk, very lovely drills. I wish I could have it in proper 30 by 40 centimeters. Next to unboxing I will show you in next part of this video. Subscribe, put bell, put thumbs up, comment if you will have any questions, where did I order this, or what I'm planning to do, or like anything you would like to know. Please comment below this video, I will answer to all your questions. Part 1 is over. Thank you so much for watching. Click here to watch part 2 of this unboxing video.